Sagittarius. Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions, embracing growth, and living a peaceful yet fulfilling lifestyle, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey toward freedom, clarity, and lasting harmony. This period brings an exciting blend of expansion and reflection, dear Sagittarius. With Jupiter, your ruling planet, harmonizing beautifully in early May, you'll feel inspired to dream big and take bold steps forward. Mercury retrograde may challenge communication at times, but it also invites you to slow down and refine your plans. Trust your adventurous spirit. It will guide you toward meaningful progress and peace of mind. Career and finances. In your career, expect opportunities around May 3rd when Jupiter amplifies your ambitions. You'll feel driven to pursue projects that align with your passions or expand your horizons, whether through learning new skills or exploring international connections. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to review details carefully before finalizing agreements. Precision ensures success. Financially, focus on long-term investments rather than impulsive spending. Smart planning now can lead to lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships thrive during this time, especially around May 7th when Venus enhances connection and joy. Single Sagittarians may meet someone who shares their love for adventure and exploration. For those in partnerships, prioritize shared experiences and heartfelt conversations. They deepen bonds and foster harmony. Surround yourself with people who inspire positivity and growth. They're essential for maintaining inner peace. Health and well-being. May invites you to channel your boundless energy into healthy outlets. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of balance between activity and rest. Avoid burning out. Pace yourself and listen to your body. Incorporate activities like hiking, yoga, or meditation into your routine. By nurturing your well-being, you create space for clarity and resilience. True peace comes from honoring both your physical and mental health, personal growth, and spirituality. The second week of May encourages reflection and personal growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past goals or unresolved feelings. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to gain new insights and tie up loose ends. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Follow your path. Sagittarius, these 2 weeks are all about using your natural optimism and curiosity to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay focused, stay true to your vision, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.